Alright, there we go. Your phone is so light compared to mine. It's really crazy. Is this a Samsung Galaxy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, so this is the piece that Dan got today for like $40-something. Oh yeah, get a good shot of all that dirt. Yeah, that's pretty bad. These are always fun to get off without the right tool. There it is. Not impossible. Not that simple. I always try to loosen things at first, like how I loosened this one a little and I went to the other one. It's the same thing about putting, when I was telling you about putting all the screws and stuff in before you tighten them all, or before you tighten one. Because I just don't like things to like warp or crack. Like if there's a lot of pressure, let's say on this side, maybe this side just might break because it's cheesy metal.
Okay.
Oh, nice. This one right here was loose. Wonder how they all are. That one's basically loose. Well, that was pretty much loose too. Barely even have to do anything to them. Anyway. Not good to have loose stuff on a carburetor. It's a fine balance of air and fuel mix. So you got something loose, then you have too much air and it runs like crap.
Something's going on.
Yep. Maybe somebody drove off the road again. Maybe somebody drove off the road again.
I don't know. Wonder why all the accidents are going on lately. Maybe just because it's more summery. Like, so people are partying or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. How's this? Oh, this one's probably not going to come out, but I guess I could try it. I don't really know if I want to take this part off. I might just clean this part by hand so that I don't have to mess with these butterflies.
Okay.
Oh god, I got a lot of vacuum lines. That thing. So the thing Dan got today, the float, gas comes in here.
Yeah.
You can't just have gas constantly dumping in, right? Otherwise you're going to have too much gas. Just like too much air, it ain't going to run, or it's going to run really crappy. So this is kind of like the thing in the back of a toilet. You ever look in the back of a toilet and it has a long arm with the ball?
Yes.
That ball thing, as the water comes in, it comes up and then it shuts off the water. So this, the gas comes in and it shuts it off.
Well, that's awesome.
That's what this little thing down here does. So yeah.
That's
Oh,
awesome.
there it is. The needle in the seat.
Let me try to get a... You know...
I'll be pulling it apart.
Okay. Are you really thinking about putting this on YouTube?
Maybe. Probably. I already have a bunch of other videos.
Yeah.
Just depends on my mood if I want to be on camera or not. I wonder why it was running so bad. Okay, is this ready? Yep.
Kind of looks like a little robot, kind of. The eyes and...
Okay, that's ready. bad thing about these is, it's happened to me and my Datsun that I had when I blew the head gasket and I had to work on the head gasket, so it sat for a couple weeks or whatever. I went to start it, it wouldn't run. Because this thing, it comes with a nice, it's plastic-like. It comes with a coating over it, but it's more like, it's not really plastic, it's more like some weird fiber-like shit. Let me see if I can break a piece off. See? So once the coating, the shiny coating they put on the outside wears away, it's like a sponge. It soaks up gas and it no longer floats up and shuts the gas off. So that's why I told Dan when he showed me the one he got today, I was like, oh good, you got a good one. Because it's brass. Like this.
Oh, that is...
It's soldered and it's just a metal can basically, but it's still shaped like that.
That's cool.
So here's that needle in the seat that we were talking about. This is the needle. That little rubber thing is what shuts the gas off. Goes up in it and shuts it off.
Okay.
Yeah, because it goes against this seat down in there.
Okay.
I'm not going to use those, but I'm still throwing them in there. This is always a bitch. Take this off. Not even a filter in there. This vehicle, I have yet to find a filter, which would explain all of the dirt that's inside of it. I don't know if Dodge puts filters in those or not, but I know Chevy does. They have a little tiny filter and it's kind of doesn't seem good enough to me, so I always like to put one in. Regular inline filter in. It's bigger.
Your phone just vibrated. It did. Sorry if that sounded wrong. It did.
screwdriver's too big. I need another one. Alright, maybe we should stop for a minute.
Pause it?
Yeah.
Okay.